Roasted cauliflower steaks are a great option if you're cooking for a vegan friend or if you're just looking for a new way to make vegetables. All you need is a cauliflower, some oil, and spices. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees and cut a cauliflower in half. With each half, you'll end up with one cauliflower steak and a bunch of pieces from the other side. Be careful while you're cutting it and take your time. Carefully trim the bottom off of each cauliflower steak. The younger, tender leaves are completely edible if you want to leave those on. Prepare a cookie sheet with parchment paper or foil and lay out the cauliflower. I have some baby carrots, so I'll be adding those too. Arrange all the veggies so that they're all touching the cookie sheet and you get a nice even char. Spritz everything on both sides with olive oil, or brush it on if you don't have a mister. I'm pretty basic with my seasonings for vegetables. I use sea salt, garlic powder, black pepper, and paprika, just for a little color. Set a timer for 15 minutes and roast the vegetables on one side. When the time's up, flip everything over, season it, and put it back in the oven for another 15 minutes. That's it! This dish couldn't be any easier, and look at how pretty it is. You don't have to be a vegetarian to appreciate it. If you wanted to add a little more color to the plate, you could also roast some onion wedges, red ones or sweet ones, and sort of add those in with the baby carrots. Sprinkle everything with some chopped up herbs and you've got a really beautiful meal. Drop me a line in the comments and let me know what you think. Have you ever had cauliflower steaks before?